Hi guys, today we are going to solve a Rubik's Cube. And I'm not one of those fast solvers. I found this app and I'm just one of the beginners Rubik's Cube. Hopefully I can solve this. I know how to solve it. And I'm just gonna let it shuffle for a bit. I'm not a speed cuber. I watched some videos though. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Fine. Okay. Let's go. My time is not the best. I usually finish it like 3 minutes. But hopefully I can do this in less than 3 minutes. So, where is it? Orange. Orange. Oh my god. Okay, go up. Okay. Still cross. No. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Oops. There we go. Where's the... Come on. I need to solve this very quickly. So... Where's the... Okay. There we go. Come on. Where's the other corner? Here we go. So we solved the first layer. Now on to the second layer. So go red. And nope. Wrong. Oops. This way. Here we go. I'm not gonna finish this in under 3 minutes. It's only been 2 minutes. Oh no. This way. There. I'm not fast at this. Don't expect good to come from here. I'm very slow. I'm just a beginner. So, do. Shoot. Okay. Doing pretty good. Next, let's do line up. So, shoot. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm not the fastest at this. One corner was there. Where's here? So let's do this up. We go, and I still have one corner right. Still the same corner. Yep. So up this way and down. Now I have 4 corners. Okay, I solved this in 4 minutes, which is not good. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish this off and put there we go. So I finished this at 4 minutes 57 seconds, and yeah, that's not good. I want to do that again, so let's shuffle this and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and we shuffle this, so let's go. My god. So put this way and nope, this, bring this up. No. Come on. What else? Where is it? There it is. Go to white. So this way, but come on. So yellow and yeah, go. One more. And here it is. There we go. There we go. Okay. So we're doing a little bit good. Okay. What? Okay. Okay. Let's go softness and okay. Go. Okay. That's the second layer. Go. Okay. Come on. Let's go. There we go. What else? Process complete. And then what's here? So do it super fast. Okay. Come on, okay, I have one corner. So there and there. Okay. Now we just need to go. Come on. Go. And almost done. Almost done. This back. Left out. Down. Now. Oops. There we go. We finished this on 5 minutes. We did worse. Let's just make a checkerboard pattern. Just make a checkerboard pattern. So let's go to the checkerboard. Okay, here's the checkerboard. Okay, that's about this for that's this episode. Solving a Rubik's Cube. I did horrible. I did very badly. But at least I solved some. So I'm bad at Rubik's Cube. I am still a noob at Rubik's, but hopefully I can get better. And yeah, that's it for this episode. Yeah, bye.